So here we have this Rolanstar computer desk with an outlet and LED lights. Now in this video, I'm going to unbox it, put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review. Alright, and there's everything that came in the box. There's quite a few pieces here. There's a bunch of laminated particle board pieces for the tabletops, the monitor stands, and the drawers. Then there's a few metal tube pieces for the frame. This pack of hardware, I really like how this is laid out instead of the usual bags. The lighting kit, and then this box with a screwdriver to put it together, and some smaller metal pieces. And then of course there's the instruction manual. But anyway, it looks like this is going to be a pretty in-depth build, so let me go ahead and get started on that, and I'm going to use this timer here to see how long it takes. Alright, and there we go, it's all put together. I really like the way it came out. It wasn't easy, but it also wasn't too difficult, and it took about an hour and 10 minutes. Now, as you can see, I set this up as the long desk, but the instructions also show you how to make it a corner desk. And there's a couple extra pieces to make that work. There's a really long monitor stand up top, a bunch of desk space, then this lower spot for maybe a gaming console or printer, a shelf, and then this drawer. And the drawer's actually pretty fancy. Usually they're made of fabric, but this one's actually the same particle board and laminate as the rest of the desk. And it even has drawer slides that work pretty well. It comes with this little remote that you use to control the lights. Of course, there's a bunch of different modes on it that you can switch between. You can change the speed, just a lot of different settings you can change. Of course, there's also this power strip here. It has 4 regular plugs and then 2 USB ports and a USB-C port. The desk also has leveling feet, which are pretty important on a desk this size, and diagonal bracing in the back, which makes it pretty sturdy. There's pretty much no movement in this. It's pretty solid. The top isn't quite as sturdy as some other desks I've tried out, and that's because these metal supports are so small, but it's still plenty strong enough to hold my weight, so you're really not going to have any problems with that. As far as the monitor stands, I think they could have also used a little bit of extra support, but yeah, overall it's a pretty nice desk. There's plenty of space for a couple chairs. You could probably put 3 monitors up here. The lights look nice, the power strip is pretty helpful, and the drawer is great.